Hello and welcome to Conversations That Matter, where we dive into the stories and experiences that shape our lives. I'm your host, Rishi D'Souza, and today we have a very special guest, my good friend from college, Shelbin Pala. We'll be talking about college life, memories, and some rapid fire questions at the end. Hey, Shelbin.
Hey, hi Krishi.
So, to begin, could you introduce yourself to our listeners?
Yes, so hi everyone. My name is Sherban Pala, and I'm currently in my FI BBA in Dempo College. Yeah,
Okay, so what made you choose this college and your course?
okay, so my course I chose because I have interest in business. I want to do something in marketing in future. And Dempo obviously is one of the most reputed colleges in Goa, so that was my first priority when I passed out from
Uh, and how different was college life from what you expected before?
there. Different, I would say, before joining. Obviously everyone has it in the mind that it will be like a typical proper Bollywood type of uh, college where you will enter with bikes and just no studies, all
Yeah.
fun, different type of activities, but it's not like that. Obviously, it's way different from what we have seen in movies, where you have to study, actually study, and yeah.
Yes, I agree. And do you remember your first day of college? What was it like?
My first day in college, obviously new faces I had to face. I had to see. A few were there whom I knew previously also, but first day when I entered college, it was a bit scary, obviously, to make new, the thought of making new friends or the thought of will I be able to adapt in this college was always on my mind.
Um,
Yep.
what's your daily routine on a regular college day?
Daily routine, wake up, come to college, attend the first lecture, attend the second lecture, recess, then the third lecture, attend talks. That's what happened. Or miss lectures, I guess. Bunking.
Oh, I mean, if you enjoy college, which subject or class do you enjoy the most and why?
Subject, I would say Essentials of Communications, obviously. Miss Maria's lectures because of a different type of ISAs that she gives. The way different thoughts, like there was the group presentation of where we had to present on what was that? I think it was conflict resolution.
Yeah.
One of my most favorite, I guess, where we had the unique introductions we did for her class. Yeah,
Yes,
that
I
was
agree. It was all fun. And have you had a professor who really inspired or influenced you?
inspired or influenced, I guess. Right now, I would say Miss Maria, obviously, one of my favorite lecturers because her classes are very interesting. So I guess she has inspired me.
Yeah. What's one skill you've picked up in college that you didn't expect to learn?
I didn't expect that I would be so patient in college because I've got a lot of patience inside myself. I started to be very patient and calm in college. Yeah,
Yeah. And how do you manage stress during exams, ISAs, and stuff?
I don't get stressed quite easily. I mean, I take things very calmly, and I think that's the secret. Just be calm. Don't lose yourself. Don't lose your mind. Be calm and do everything. That's the reason. Just not to get stressed. Yeah.
And I think most of us really want to know this answer to this question, but do you think college prepares us well for the real world?
Yeah, college does prepare us now for the real world because if you go to see, nothing is theoretical anymore. It is more on practical base where we have to solve different cases or do
Yes.
different activities. So it is more of on the practical side of the world and not the theoretical. So yeah, we are getting ready for the real world.
Yeah. Let's move on to some experiences. So, what's your favorite college memory so far?
My favorite college memory, I think I would say on when I was on when we were on the verge of getting suspended because of some group chats.
Oh, yeah.
Obviously, so yeah, that was one of my most favorite memories so far.
And on the lighter side, what's the funniest thing that has ever happened to you in college?
Same thing, I think. Not getting suspended. That is why I had expected. Obviously, we had expected that we would get suspended, but no,
Yeah,
we
I
did not get.
mean,
We were lucky enough not
we
to
were
get.
all fearing about it.
Yeah.
And do you do you participate in extracurricular activities like any clubs or sports or anything?
Yeah, sports, interclass events, football I've played. I am a part of the marketing club and also the drama club of our college.
Oh,
I love
that's
acting.
nice.
Yeah. Yep.
And what's the most unforgettable event you attended on campus?
On campus, I think I would say the PIAT which we had performed for our college. It was one of my most favorite experiences because it gave me a new experience because I never performed on such a stage. Yeah.
Okay. And if you had to describe college life in 3 words, what would they be?
My college life in 3 months would be interesting, entertaining, and definitely mysterious.
Yes. Have you ever had a moment where you felt truly proud of yourself in college?
Proud of myself as of now, nothing obviously, but hope so I might get chances in future to get proud of myself. But right now, no, nothing.
Okay. And who are some of your closest friends in college and how did you meet them?
Obviously, you are one of them. Yeah, so
Okay.
obviously sitting beside different benches but side by side, copying for test. Uh, then I think I met NC who became very close to me. It was a very random meetup where we just started to sit together and we became close friends. Yeah.
Also, do you think you changed as a person since college started?
Yeah, obviously, definitely I've changed a bit. I think I've become more calm and more patient, as I said, because it's the type of people I have met in college are way different to what I've seen in the past.
Yeah.
It's a new exposure completely, so my patience has increased a lot.
Okay, so now let's talk about the future. What are your plans after graduation?
My plan after graduation, I would say I would be doing my MBA, my master's, and maybe I'll be working for something, a marketing firm of any company. Yeah.
Okay. Do you dream of working in a certain field or certain company?
Yeah, as I said, I want to be a part of any marketing firm because I love marketing thing. So, no company as of now, but yeah, marketing.
Okay, that's nice. And if you could start your own venture, what would it be?
What venture? I don't think I have anything in mind right now. No,
Okay.
nothing.
And one main question, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Completing my MBA and I guess working somewhere.
Okay. Okay, so now for some time for some quick fire fun. Ready?
Yeah, with fire.
So, tea or coffee?
Tea.
Early bird or night owl?
Depends on my mood. I'd say I am an early bird also and a night owl also. Depends on my mood.
Okay. Group study or solo?
Group study, definitely the fun that we have for group study.
Yes.
Oh my.
If your college life was turned into a Netflix series, what would the title be?
Title of I would say Mysterious Life of Sheldon. That's what I have.
Mysterious Life of Sheldon. Okay. And which actor or actress would play you in a movie about your college life?
I'd say Varun Dhawan.
Okay.
Not, I mean, he has a very personality, a very being a bit calm and in situation and all. I'd say I'll be Varun Dhawan. Perfect. I feel it.
Okay. If you could swap lives with someone on campus for a day, who would it be and why?
I would be the one of the professor, definitely. Just want to harass the children a bit more.
Harass the
Some,
children.
part- some particular children I want to harass. Yeah.
What's one guilty pleasure you have during college days, like skipping lectures for a cup of tea or a random meetup?
Obviously, missing lecture is one of the biggest, guiltiest pleasures I have. Right? Meaning we bunk and we go where and where. Obviously,
Yeah.
Saturday also got cancelled because of bunking lecture.
Also, if you were made a principal for a day, what's the first rule you did change?
My first rule I would change is attending lectures should not be compulsory. Definitely, it should be like more on children should participate in more co-curricular activities and not just studying.
Yeah.
Classes should not be compulsory. Yeah.
How often do you go to the college canteen?
College canteen often. I'd say after every lecture. Every lecture I end up in the canteen only. I don't know why. To meet friends.
And what's like your go-to canteen order?
Go-to order will be the avocado shake over there. And to eat, I would go with a goan samosa. That's it.
Okay. And finally, what song best describes your college journey?
I'll say Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. Definitely. Because I'm enjoying my college life a lot and I will know that this time won't come back. So yeah.
Okay. That was such a fun conversation, Shelvin. Thank you so much for joining us today and sharing your journey. I'm sure our listeners enjoyed hearing about your college life memories and your future dreams.
Thank you so much to you also for interviewing, being a calm and a great host. Thank you so much.